Here goes.
Setting up. We have our picnic table here. We have I wouldn't even call that a fire pit. That's like a luxurious fireplace.
Wow, Site 41 would be really nice back in sight with a nice view of the lake. And then you could come in here, back in, don't back up too far.
Oh, two of them are shares.
Then they share this fire pit.
And the picnic tables, yeah, two picnic tables. Nice. Oh, look at the view. The view.
Oh, right over the pool.
Right over the pool. I like it.
Is that it?
No, that's not it.
Okay.
I need a pineapple delight in a cone too, please. In a cone, yeah. Thank you. Try it out and tell me if it's good. So here are the flavors.
Pineapple delight.
Should I have gotten raspberry?
Right. $6.50, hon.
So right from the Campground Cafe, there's all these sites right here along. There's water, there's a beach, swim beach, playground. Actually, there's water slides over there too. Boat launch, and then the lake. And the swimming pool is over here.
Look, Riley, what do we have?
What is this? What is this?
Come on, get up here.
Come on.
We'll go golf cart. There you go.
girl.
Come on up. Here you go.
Yay! Yay, we're gonna go for a ride, okay? Yeah. We'll go for a ride.
You gonna be happy? Wow, Riley, look at this luxury dog playground with artificial turf.
Yeah. And
Let's check it out.
It's a little little agility course, it looks like.
You want to see if you can do that this morning?
Are you agile?
Come on, Riley, we have to do the agility course. Come on, hurry up. Come on, hurry up.
Just don't know where all the dogs are.
Look at this nice grass they have out here. Riley is highly trained for dog agility. Yay, look at that. Good. Whoa, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you did good. Come on, jump through. Good girl. You figured that out quick. Come on. Here we go. Go on up.
We made it to the top.
Yay. Good girl. The slalom course. And she does the slalom course. Yay! Ah, the sun finally came out and we made it down to the pool.
It did, but the water's a little chilly, or a lot chilly, I should say.
Come on, let's go in.
I thought
Let's go in.
I thought it would be warmer than this.
Let's go in all the
Or
way.
the end of August.
Yeah, it is actually kind of chilly. Here it goes. Wow, that was pretty amazing. I lost my hat. Here it comes. That was a pretty fun water slide. I'm gonna go down it again. This time I guess I'll have to leave my hat at the top. And there's Lori looking for me way at the top. But she can't see me. It's pretty far. It's a pretty far walk from the pool down to the lake here. You have to walk all the way out around. But this water is like way warmer than the pool. Feels really good. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, here goes try number 2. Okay, she's watching up there. Nobody in the way. So here we go. What? That's pretty fast. So what was he saying about the fire pits? Since some of them look a lot different.
Yeah, he said every year he builds 2 or 3 more at different sites that don't have them, and he said he designs them himself. He makes them all unique.
Yeah, we saw they were all unique, and so we thought some of these sites were privately owned and someone built these, but he said nope, they're just the same builder makes all the fire pits.
And I guess it's the owner.
The owner.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah, and you have a nice view of the farm.
Yeah.
So if you want a good lake view up on the top here, it starts on site 20 on the end. 20, 21, 22, 23, all the way down here. These all have great back-end views of the lake. Now floor it. Here we go.
And don't go over the edge.
Yeah, nice view, huh?
Wow.
Wow. So when you're
Yeah.
back in your RV in here, make sure you got someone spotting you, that they don't go over the edge.
Yeah. But wow, yeah, this is a nice.
So good views, 21 through, how far does it go down here? Look at that cool fire pit
Oh,
there.
that's nice too.
Yeah.
That would still, that would be a
That
good
one's a
view.
neat one, 27 is beautiful. And that's it for up on top. If you want to back up to a lake view, there's, of course, they're all really amazing.
And it goes
but-
to what number here?
Oh, then these two down
29.
here, 29, okay. Bathhouse is right down here. That's a speed bump. She's not good on speed bumps. She flies over. Be a great toboggan hill in the winter, but they're not open in the winter, so
Yeah.
that's out. So these all back up to the lake as well. 167, 168, 169, 170.
These are nice. And 171. Oh, all the way down here.
All have really good views. Look at this one with the amazing fire pit here. This is number 173.
Wow.
I guess anybody can use this pavilion here.
Oh wow, nice. Just sit under in the shade,
Mhm.
get out of the sun. And a little playground. Oh, paddleboard.
Oh, cool. Yeah. before I had to jump in that pool.
Back to the Campground Cafe. We have basketball courts and tennis courts. And then we have
No,
this.
that's pickleball.
Is it?
Pickleball, yep.
Oh. And then there's this thing, I think it's a new game and I don't know the name of it. But maybe you guys do. If you do, comment below.
Hope your brakes don't give out.
I know. This probably doesn't look very steep, but it's pretty steep coming down here. Beautiful lake. And we have the dock with the boats out here. Very nice.
You can rent pontoon boats by either a half a day or a full day here.
Wow, we really enjoyed our stay at Anchor Down RV Resort on Douglas Lake, didn't we?
Yeah, we sure did, and we highly recommend this location for our RV friends who are visiting the Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg areas.
But make sure you book early as these sites fill up fast because especially in the fall, it's really hard to get sites.
So thank you for watching our video. We'll leave you with some aerial pictures of the natural beauty of this area. And please subscribe for more upcoming videos of our amazing trip to Tennessee.
We'll see you soon.